Another big single-day jump of 24,248 COVID-19 cases took India's tally close to 7 lakh mark today, while the death toll due to the disease climbed to 19,693 with 425 new fatalities, according to media reports. With this, the country has recorded over 20,000 cases of the infection for the fourth consecutive day. India went past Russia yesterday to become the third worst-hit nation by the COVID-19 pandemic. Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West District Pravin Naram yesterday issued an order declaring Yumnam Sagai Thungal, Hoyathong Pukri Makha Lambi, IBR Polem Lekai Road and Gorvadan Achoba Lambi as containment zones, banning entry and exit of people, initiating active surveillance of COVID-19 cases. The order comes after a resident of Thangwaiban Polem Lekai in Imphal West, who was under home quarantine, has tested positive for COVID-19. Manipur's COVID-19 tally climbed to 1,366 after registering 41 more positive cases as of late Sunday. The samples were confirmed at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (VRDL) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS), Imphal, officials said. With this, the number of active cases in the state rose to 677. In Tripura, 22 persons tested positive for coronavirus, taking the total positive cases in the state to 1,581, with 362 active cases. According to media reports, about 1,630 samples were tested in the state yesterday. With 12 more persons testing positive for COVID-19 yesterday evening, the total number of positive cases in Nagaland spiked to 590. In total, 27 fresh cases of COVID-19 were reported yesterday. An arboretum was inaugurated today by Divisional Forest Officer, Central Forest Division Manipur, R.K. Amarjit, IFS at the complex of 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifles in Imphal as part of week-long Ban Mahotsav observance. 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifles Commandant P. Manjit Singh, MPS, was the president of the event organized by the battalion. 2 persons were arrested for illegally possessing 485 bottles of cough syrup at Lilong Tharau Rock under Lilong Police Station in the wee hours. The arrested have been identified as MD Sahid Rahman, aged 21 years, and MD Mustaq Khan, aged 19 years, both resident of Lilong Tharau Rock, a police report said. The illegal items were seized from their houses at around 2 a.m. A regular FIR case has been registered at the Lilong Police Station for investigation, the report said. Altogether, 3,618 students appeared today in the remaining examination of Class 12 conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, COSEM, at 51 centers. A total of 547 students will appear at 24 examination centers tomorrow. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, COSEM, had on 4th July announced the schedule for the remaining examination of Class 12.